Hi there, I'm Ari Lee, Sales Director representing Phillip Nova. Thanks for joining us on these episodes of PhillipCapital's Market Watch. There's a common saying among traders, the trend is your friend. This mantra has dominated the trading floors for decades. Golden crosses, momentum strategies, buying strength. It all sounds logical, right? Today, let's pay our friend a visit and put convention wisdom to the test. Let's examine the classic golden cross strategy. On this S&P 500 chart, I've overlaid it with two moving averages, MA. The faster MA is the average of the past 2 days closing prices in orange, and the slower MA in green is based on the past 4 days of closing prices. The definition of golden cross strategy is to buy when the faster MA crosses up above the slower MA, sell when the fast MA crosses down below the slow MA. Now, applying this golden cross strategy to 28 years of S&P 500 data, starting with a capital of US 100,000 in 1997, the equity would have been completely wiped out by 2011. In a real-world scenario, this account would have been liquidated long before that. But for educational purpose, let's assume that a trader is able to continue borrowing funds at zero cost and keep the strategy running. From 2011 to 2021, the golden cross strategy began working again, merely recovering previous losses. Fast forward to today, the strategy has not only lost the initial US 100,000, but has also accumulated an additional US 100,000 in debt. Now, here's where it gets interesting. What if we flip the script entirely? Instead of following the crowd and buying into strength, we take the opposite approach, buying into weakness. When the SMA2 crosses down below the SMA4, or when most traders are selling, we go long. And when the SMA2 crosses up above the SMA4, when euphoria peaks, we go short. The result speaks for itself. This contrarian approach doesn't just beat the traditional golden cross, it crushes it. A capital of US 100,000 in 1997 would have grown to US 300,000 today. So the next time someone tells you that the trend is your friend, think again. That's all for this episode of PhillipCapital's Market Watch. Do remember to like and follow us on social media and subscribe to us on YouTube. Thank you and see you again.